Welcome to the Full Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 4:11 p.m. that is Central Time, and today is October 28th. Well, today we had a pretty positive environment on Wall Street, where the majority of indices were in positive territory, and the Nasdaq 100 is up a couple hundred points, now above the 26,000 level. It was pausing around 25,000 about a week ago, so we remain in a rather impressive advance. It was led higher by the megacap sector and I guess, what we might think of as the satellite companies that are circling the megacap sector. Something that occurred to me before I started recording was that it certainly seems to be the case that the companies that Nvidia is investing in seem to be doing considerably better than those that Donald Trump is investing in. But, or at least we've seen quite a bit of volatility in the commodity sector, whereas the high technology AI related part of the market is still powering ahead. Then gold prices were negative today. They were as high at one point as 4,019 and then closed out the day at 39.52 for the spot price. So just below the 4,000 level, but there's a significant tail on that candle. And then silver was up 55 cents. At one point today, we had Bitcoin down about $2,000. So it hasn't quite yet been able to just harness the wherewithal to sustain a breakout. And then, of course, you have President Trump in Asia and meeting with the Prime Minister of Japan. It was a very friendly encounter, and there's obviously the potential that the USA and Japan will be much closer allied, and both on a military and an economic or civilian basis. He's moving on to South Korea tomorrow, and there will also be the potential there that there'll be significant talk about how the two countries can work together. And certainly Doosan's inability and its dominant position in the provision of the equipment required to build nuclear reactors will be a significant beneficiary, I imagine. And then, of course, we still have all of this consideration of the trade deal between the USA and China. And the reality is that this is going to be something about how they can,